serious.
Fake records.
1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2
What's going on, you guys? It's Justin here from Makita Designs. I'm currently in a middle of a 3-day engraving workshop at Help for Heroes here at Tidworth House, and I thought I'd give you a little bit of an insight on the actual grounds and the facility this amazing place has around me, and what these guys have at their disposal. The 3-day workshop I specifically run just for veterans. It's something that it is very close to my heart, and something that I can give back to, because I've got myself into a position where I'm quite confident in my style and my particular skill of engraving across different media. So the best thing I could have come up with is actually a workshop where I can actually help these guys and actually give back something that could possibly heal them and give them a focus, and maybe give them the tools to start something new for themselves, quite possibly. So on the grounds we're currently at, this is what we call the reflection pond. Pretty cool, nice little tranquil place you can sit down and relax and just sort of zone out if you need to. And then sort of behind me is a sort of a bushcraft area where they do a lot of wood turning and that kind of sort of thing, which is amazing sort of stuff. A lot of the stuff is made by hand, so the guys really get stuck in from a creative point of view and do some amazing things. So let's go have a look. Constantly surrounded by nature, and the stuff they do here is so cool. They get to turn wood and bits and pieces on these really cool old school lathes and stuff, and they've got loads of benches. Everything is made out of wood. They've got a nice fire pit here in the middle, so everybody stays warm under this big tarp they've got here. And then over there is like a bush hut, whereas they've made most of the stuff inside by hand and sculpted the stuff, and it's really cool. So I want to see if I can sort of sneak in here and have a look. Yeah, so it's a proper wooden hut. Walk around the other side. I know there is stuff around the other side that's been carved and stuff in the woodwork. This is awesome, man. So all the wood along these support beams have all been carved, hand carved by all the students here in some particular way, and including the doors, and everything's sort of handmade around here. You've got all the walls, everything is, I think it's a very old school clay mud type hut, so it's very sort of rustic in that sort of sense. Very cool, very cool. The facilities, the actual Tidworth House, which is where I'm currently doing my engraving workshop. In the classrooms there, they've got a plethora of classrooms where you can do art, model making, guitar making, my engraving class, painting, and there's so many things you can do in there. And then they've got the sort of rehabilitation areas, which is the Phoenix Center. And they've got an indoor ski slope. They've got indoor basketball courts. What an amazing place. It's such an amazing place, especially for these dudes that are on the road to recovery. And you're not alone. You're not alone. From the moment you walk through these gates to the moment you walk out, it doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing, you're constantly with someone all the time. The support is always there, and the people you meet on these courses and the students I have are such amazing people. They're just regular people like you and I. We have come from a common background, but we all have the same need, shall we say, which is amazing. And it's like that with anything really. Everybody is just looking for someone to have a common ground and to relate to, especially if you have some issues, and someone we can physically talk to and get advice. And it's not about a competition, it's about building brands, and so I'm really up for that. I'll show you some of the work the guys have been busting out in the classroom. Now this is what it's all about. Wow. So this monument right here is dedicated to basically everybody in the road to recovery. Absolutely everybody, from start to finish. From the moment they walk in those gates to the moment they walk out, they are never ever left on their own. There's always people here to support and help. What an amazing place.